Not only do we educate our students to become fitness instructors and personal trainers, we also run 15 fitness facilities around the country with over 90 fitness professionals ranging from fitness instructor, group fitness instructor to personal trainer. That means that our fitness education is actually grounded in real world experiences. What this will do is it won't just get you qualified with us, but it will teach you to be successful. When it comes to being successful in personal training specifically, all the personal trainers that work for us want to get effective and successful results for their clients. So what we teach them as employees and what we teach our students as we educate them is the 3 pillars of personal training. So the 3 pillars are preparation, planning and execution. And I'm going to go through each one step by step, but what I'll always find is when a personal trainer that works for us comes to me saying that they can't get the right results for the client, I'll look at these 3 pillars and I'll look at them backwards. I'll look at execution first. What execution is actually what happens on the gym floor between the personal trainer and the client. It's the coaching that the trainer is giving that client. It's the safety points. Are they moving in the right way or correctly? The cueing that they're giving them. Does the client understand what's being said? Is the right information being given in terms of the benefits that they're going to get from this training? And also, are they motivating them right through the workout? What I'll always find here, and I'll be honest with you, is this is always done to a good standard. This is not where the problem lies. And most personal trainers think it's where it lies. It's not. It's actually in the planning stage, which comes before the execution. Planning is where all the theory that you learn in your qualification comes into play. And it's where you sit down and plan out the 6 or 12 week plan for your client. And things that go into this is your programming, your nutrition, the mode of exercise that you're going to use, the systems, the reps, sets, tempo, rest periods, the progressions, exercise selection, all that stuff. Because if you're executing a poor plan, you're going to get poor results. So it makes sense to go back to this planning stage. And what I'll always find is the planning just isn't robust enough to get those results. So that's where they're falling down. Now, how you solve this is actually backwards again into the first pillar, which is preparation. And that is where you sit down with the client before you do any sort of training or planning and you screen them. And you could be about half an hour to an hour screening a client, asking them many questions, up to 100, 150 questions, trying to give you a 360 view on who they are so you can create the right plan for them. And to give you some sort of idea, in the preparation phase, you will have things like your safety screening, your needs analysis, your exercise history, your health profiling, your motivational interviewing, your exercise recommendations, relationships with food, relationships with exercise, how they like or dislike it, and also barriers that they need to overcome, and also work out how to overcome those obstacles too. And that's where we get all the information we need to create a plan that's going to be executed effectively, that's going to get the person successful results. So as a fitness educator, it makes sense for us to know that this is what works to become a successful personal trainer. So we teach this in our personal training certification. So when you come out of that qualification, you're in the best possible position to succeed entering into the industry.